Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a thought-provoking topic, how the Earth might meet its end. It's a question that has captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring countless myths, prophecies, and scientific inquiries. While the end may seem like a distant event, contemplating these scenarios allows us to appreciate the fragility of our existence and the preciousness of our pale blue dot. Over the next few chapters, we'll embark on a journey through time and space, exploring the various ways our planet's story could come to a close. From cataclysmic cosmic events to threats of our own making, we'll delve into the science behind each scenario, examining the likelihood of their occurrence and the potential impact on life as we know it. Our planet exists in a cosmic shooting gallery. Asteroids, comets, rogue planets. These celestial wanderers hurtle through the vast emptiness of space, and sometimes their paths intersect with Earth's. We need only look at the Moon, our pockmarked companion, to understand the violence inherent in the solar system's history. Those craters tell tales of impacts, some large enough to have reshaped the lunar surface, and Earth hasn't been spared. 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly the size of Mount Everest slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula, triggering a chain reaction of global devastation that wiped out the dinosaurs. But impacts aren't the only threat from the cosmos. Our Sun, the life-giver, is also capable of unleashing incredible fury. Solar flares, sudden bursts of intense radiation can disrupt our communications systems and even cripple power grids. And then there are the supervolcanoes, slumbering giants beneath the Earth's crust. Their eruptions are measured on a scale that dwarfs anything humanity has ever witnessed, capable of plunging the planet into a volcanic winter that could last for decades. While cosmic catastrophes capture our imaginations, the most pressing threat to our planet might be the one we're creating ourselves. The Earth's climate is changing and human activity is the dominant cause. The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and warming the planet. This warming effect has consequences that extend far beyond a few extra degrees on the thermometer. We're already witnessing the early effects: more frequent and intense heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and increasingly unpredictable weather patterns. These are not isolated incidents, they are harbingers of a future where the delicate balance of Earth's systems is thrown into disarray. If we continue on our current trajectory, the consequences could be dire. Coastal cities could be swallowed by rising seas, forcing mass migrations and straining resources. Extreme weather events could devastate crops and disrupt food supplies, leading to widespread famine. The Earth's ecosystems, already under immense pressure, could collapse, leading to a cascade of extinctions and the loss of biodiversity on a scale unseen in millions of years. In the grand scheme of things, we humans are relatively new to this planet. Yet, in our short time here, we've encountered a foe as ancient as life itself. Disease. Throughout history, pandemics have ravaged civilizations, leaving behind trails of unimaginable suffering and death. The Black Death, smallpox, the 1918 influenza pandemic. These are just a few examples of how quickly a microscopic enemy can bring the world to its knees. Today we face new and evolving threats. Antibiotic resistance is on the rise, threatening to render our most potent weapons against bacterial infections useless. And the increasing interconnectedness of our world means that a novel virus can spread across the globe with terrifying speed. The next pandemic could emerge from anywhere: a hidden reservoir in the rainforest, a crowded poultry farm, or even a laboratory accident. And its impact could be swift and devastating. Chapter 4: Our Own Worst Enemy, Technology's Double-Edged Sword. As a species, we humans are defined by our ingenuity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our ability to manipulate the world around us. But our greatest strength can also be our greatest weakness. Technology has brought us unimaginable progress, but it has also introduced new and terrifying ways to destroy ourselves. Nuclear weapons, the ultimate expression of our destructive potential, cast a long shadow over humanity. A single detonation can obliterate entire cities, and a full-scale nuclear war could plunge the planet into a nuclear winter, rendering it uninhabitable. But the threat doesn't end there. Artificial intelligence, once the stuff of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a reality. While AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, it also raises profound ethical and existential questions. What happens when machines surpass human intelligence? Will they remain under our control, or will they chart their own course, one that may not include us? Chapter 5. The sun's dying breath, a fate written in the stars. Our sun, the anchor of our solar system, the source of our light and warmth, won't last forever. Like all stars, it has a life cycle, and we are living in its middle age. But fear not, the sun's demise is billions of years in the future. However, understanding its eventual fate provides a sobering perspective on the fleeting nature of our existence. As the sun ages, it will gradually exhaust its nuclear fuel, causing it to expand and cool. It will transform into a red giant, its outer layers engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Our planet will be consumed by the very star that gave it life. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a dense, smoldering core known as a white dwarf. This stellar ember will slowly cool over trillions of years, eventually fading into a black dwarf, a cold and lifeless relic of a once mighty star. Chapter 6 whispers from the void, cosmic threats from the unknown. The universe is a vast and mysterious place filled with wonders that boggle the mind and terrors that defy comprehension. While our solar system might seem relatively peaceful, it exists within a galaxy teeming with activity, some of it potentially hazardous to life on Earth. Gamma ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe, release unimaginable amounts of energy in a matter of seconds. While these events are rare, a single burst directed at Earth could strip away our ozone layer, leaving us exposed to lethal radiation from the sun. Black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape, lurk in the hearts of galaxies and roam the cosmos. While a direct encounter with a black hole is highly unlikely, its immense gravitational pull could disrupt the orbits of planets in our solar system, sending Earth hurtling into the sun or out into the frigid depths of interstellar space. And then there are the unknowns, the phenomena we haven't even begun to imagine, lurking in the darkness, waiting to reveal themselves. Our future, our choice. From asteroid impacts to climate change, from pandemics to the eventual death of our sun, we've explored a range of scenarios that could bring about the end of Earth as we know it. While some of these threats are beyond our control, others are the direct result of our own actions. This knowledge shouldn't paralyze us with fear, but rather empower us to act. By embracing sustainability, investing in scientific research, and fostering global cooperation, we can mitigate some of these risks and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. What do you think is the most likely scenario for Earth's end? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. In our next video, we'll explore the possibility of life beyond Earth and the search for another pale blue dot in the vastness of the cosmos.